How to start page number from page number 3 in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you can start your page number from any specific page like 2, 3, 4, any. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here you can see I have only one page here in Google Docs, and I want to start my page number. If I want to start my page number 3 or 4, then you can start. But if you want to start page number from 2, then you can simply go to the insert, go to the page number, and you can use this format, which start page number from 2. Okay, so this is first page. So when you insert the second page like this, you can see the page number start from second page. So if you want to start your page number from 3 or 4, page number 3 or 4, there is a one trick you can use. So I just come back to my normal page. You can see this is my one page. Okay, so for in order to insert page number from 3, we need page break. Okay, so just insert, come to the first page first. Okay, now just click on your and go to the file, go to the insert and go to the page break. Okay, we need to make page break. So and now we have two page. Now again we need another one more page break. Go to the page break and go to the page break. Okay, don't use page break, I show you. Let me come on first page. Okay, this is my first page. Go to the page and go to the section page break, and go to the section break next page. Okay, the section break has been done. Now we have two page, you can see. Now again we need another page, section break next page. Okay, so now we have three page. So now we need to insert the page number. So we can go to the insert, go to the page number and start from 1. Okay, this format. Okay, so we have page number from starting page number 1, but we need to start page number from 3. Okay, so what you need to do, just double click on this header and make different this page, then page number will be delete. Now again come to the second page, double click on that header and make different page, first page. Okay, so now two page has been blank and our page number start from 3. Okay, so we can see we have still 3 number here, so we need to start from 1. Okay, so just come here, don't click on that different page, just click here and just go to the option, go to the page number and start from 1 and apply. It will be converted in 1. You can see in page 2 and 1 we don't have number, it is now 1 on page number 3. Now if I continue to the next page, you can see the two number has been inserted. Now if I continue the next page, the 3 number by automatically inserting here. Okay, so I show you, this is page number 3, 2 and 1, and you can see this is eventually we have the start page number from page number 3. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and do comments. Thank you.